Top Tail, How to Play. The object of the game is to get to know your fellow human by collecting the most cards. You may also choose to play for fun without keeping score if you like. Setup. Shuffle the deck and place it face down in the center of the table. The player who most recently had a birthday goes first. On your turn, draw one card from the top of the deck and read the card's topic and caption aloud, and then provide an answer to the topic. Then, starting with the player to your left and moving clockwise, every other player may now answer the topic. You don't have to answer if you are uncomfortable responding to the topic, or just can't think of a good response. Once everyone has answered or passed, all players then vote on their favorite answer. You are not allowed to vote for your own. The response that receives the most votes wins the round, and the player who gave that response receives the current topic card, scoring 1 point. If there is a tie in votes, then draw another card and read it aloud. The tied players each give a response and everyone votes again. If it is still a tie, then another card is drawn and the process repeats until one player wins the round. The winner collects the initial card and all tiebreaker cards for the round. The round is now over. The next player clockwise goes. This process repeats until either the deck runs out of cards, you get tired of playing, or one player reaches a predetermined point total. Then the game ends. The player who collected the most cards wins.